In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a meeting in Microsoft Outlook. This is a straightforward process that ensures you can organize and plan your meetings efficiently. Let's dive right in and walk through each step to set up a meeting using Microsoft Outlook. First, you'll need to go to Microsoft Outlook. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to the Microsoft Outlook website. Outlook is an essential tool for managing emails and calendars, which makes scheduling meetings a breeze. Once you're there, look towards the top right corner of your screen. You should see a sign in button. Click on it to begin the process of logging in. Next, it's time to enter your email and password. Make sure you use the email address and password associated with your Microsoft account. Keeping your credentials secure and up to date is important to maintain your account's safety. Once you've successfully signed in, you'll find yourself on the main Outlook page. Now let's create your meeting. Look for the calendar icon, which you'll find in the lower left section of your Outlook homepage. Clicking on this icon takes you to the calendar view where all the magic happens. Here you can see the entire month at a glance, which makes it easy to choose the perfect date for your meeting. After selecting the calendar, decide on your preferred date for the meeting. Simply click on the day you'd like to schedule your meeting. It's that easy. Once you click the date, a new event window will pop up where you can start entering details about your meeting. It's time to add a title for your meeting. This title should be descriptive yet concise to ensure that all attendees understand the meeting's purpose at a glance. For example, something like Project Team Update or Quarterly Review works well. Next to the title, you'll find a space to add a description. Here you can provide additional details about the meeting if necessary. This is where you outline the agenda or any specific items you wish to discuss during the session. Adding a clear description helps everyone come prepared and makes the meeting more productive. Now let's add some attendees to your meeting. There's a designated section for attendees where you can type in the email addresses of all the people you want to invite. Adding attendees is simple and you can always update the list if necessary. Finally, after you've filled in all the necessary details and double checked everything, it's time to save your meeting. Locate and click the Save button, usually positioned towards the top of the new event window. And there you have it, your meeting is now successfully scheduled in Microsoft Outlook. Congratulations, you've just learned how to create a meeting in Microsoft Outlook confidently. This capacity to organize meetings effectively supports not only your productivity, but also enhances team collaboration efficiently.